Stitch Saturday video tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to make or learn how to do the arcade stitch. The arcade stitch is a very beautiful stitch with a slightly lacy structure that is beautiful for shawls, blankets. It looks really beautiful on its own or in combination with other stitches. So this stitch is worked over multiples of 6 plus 1 stitches. So we'll start with a slip knot, and we will start our first or foundation row. What I like to do, I prefer to work foundation stitches instead of chains. So I'm going to work foundation single crochet, and that's in American terms. So I would start with chain 1, insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's the first foundation single crochet. So again we will work under the 2 loops of the chain stitch we just created. We yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, this is the chain part, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's the single crochet part. Again, single crochet in American terms, and this would be double crochet in the UK terms. Okay, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, and I'm going to make a multiple of another 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so again, just to recap, it is worked over multiples of 6 plus 1, so I've done 2 repeats. Okay, once we've done our foundation chain or a foundation single crochet, then we chain 1. This counts as a stitch. This turning chain counts as a stitch, and we will work a single crochet into the next stitch. Then we chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, work 3 single crochet stitches into the next 3 stitches, and then we chain 3 again, 1, 2, and 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and work 2 single crochet stitches into the last 2 stitches. Okay, and then we turn and chain 1. Again, this counts as a stitch, and then we will be working 5 double crochet stitches into the chain 3, which creates this opening here. So double crochet stitch, this is in US terms or American terms. This would be treble crochet in the UK terms. So we wrap the yarn around the hook once, insert the hook from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, got 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and this counts as a 1 double crochet, and we will need to make 4 more into the same chain 3 space. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we will work a single crochet stitch into the middle of the three single crochet stitches in the row below. So we'll work one single crochet stitch in there, and then we will continue working 5 double crochet stitches into the chain 3 space as before. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will complete this round with a single crochet stitch into the turning chain 1. So work single crochet stitch in there, and then we turn our work. So for row 3, we will start row 3 with chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we will work 3. We will skip the first double crochet stitch, and we will work 3 single crochet stitches into following 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, so we will work basically 3 single crochet into the middle 3 double crochet stitches in the row below. Okay, 1, 2, 3 single crochet, then we chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. We skip the next 3 stitches, so we skip the last double crochet of the 5 double crochet in this chain 3 space. We skip the single crochet and the first double crochet of the next group, and we will work 3 single crochet stitches again into the middle 3 double crochet stitches in the row below, like so. Then we will chain 2, 1 and 2, and we will work a single crochet into the chain 1 in the row below. And we turn our work. So this was row 3. Now for row 4, we start this row with a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we will work 2 double crochet stitches into the chain 2 in the row below. So 1 and 2, then we work a single crochet stitch into the group of 3 single crochet stitches in the row below. So we work into the middle of the 3 stitches, we work single crochet in there, and then 5 double crochet stitches into the chain 3 in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is followed by single crochet stitch again into the group of 3 single crochet stitches into the row below, and we work into the middle of these 3 single crochet stitches, and then we finish this row by working a 3 double crochet stitches into the space created by the chain 3 in the row below the starting chain. Okay, so we will work 3 double crochet stitches in this space. And that's row number 4. So we turn our work, And for row number 5, we will work a chain 1. This counts as a stitch. We'll work single crochet into the next stitch, and then we work chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We skip the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, and we will work 3 single crochet stitches into the next 3 stitches, which are the middle 3 of the group of 5 double crochet stitches in the row below. So we will work 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Then again we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we will work 2 single crochet stitches into the last 2 stitches, which include the turning chain 3 as well. Okay. And this is the end of row 5. After which you turn your work, and you will continue working rows 2 to 5 for the remainder of the length of your project. So again, I just demonstrated to you how to work the arcade stitch, which is a multiple of 6 plus 1 stitches, and they are worked over 4 row repeat, which are row 2 to 5 that I just demonstrated. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video tutorial useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next pattern tutorial or the next Stitch Saturday. Until then, see you. Bye bye.